Tonight's homework is page 111 and 112, and it reviews some of our area and perimeter ideas and challenges us a little bit because it works backwards through our area and perimeter. So the classroom rug is 9 feet long and has an area of 72 square feet. What is the width? So I draw my rug. I know that this side must be 9, and the whole thing inside is 72. And I know that area is length times width. And if my area is 72 and my length is 9, I need 9 times something to equal 72. Or I could think backwards and do 72 divided by 9, which gives me 8. My other side is 8 feet. Now, the next part says what is the perimeter? Well, I have 9 and 9 and 8 and 8, so I could do 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 plus 8 is 16. And so I get 34 feet. Number 2. Chrissy is going to make a big painting on a piece of wood that is 4 feet wide and has an area of 28 square feet. How long is a piece of wood? So again, I know area is length times width. So I know that 4 times something needs to get me to 28, or 28 divided by 4 gives me the width, and that would be 7. Because 4 times 7 is 28. And now again I can find the perimeter. 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7 is 22 feet. Remember, area is just feet. Or perimeter is just feet. Area is more square feet. The school playground measures 465 feet by 285 feet. What is the perimeter? So I want to add up those sides. So 465, I'm going to say times 2 so I get the top and the bottom. And 285 times 2 to get both sides. And then I'm going to put those two together. So 930 plus 570 . It's 1,500 feet. Okay, let's look at the back. Shanice and Micah are using yellow craft paper to cover a bulletin board. The board is 11 feet wide and 7 feet tall. The craft paper comes in a roll that is 1 yard wide. They can roll it out and cut it to any length, but the paper will always be 1 yard wide. Draw and label on the bulletin board pictures below to show 2 different ways they can cover the bulletin board. The first way, I can take 1 yard, which is the same thing as 3 feet, and then I could have a second yard, which is 6 feet, and then I would need a third yard, which is 9 feet. Then I would need a fourth yard, but I would have an extra foot, because that would give me 12 feet. I would need to cut that last foot off, and then I could roll them all 7 feet. Or I can go this way and have 1 yard, which is 3 feet. Could have 2 yards, which is 6 feet. And then my 3 yards would give me 9 feet. So I'd have 2 extra feet that I would need to cut off there. Then it says, which of the two ways above wastes less paper? Okay. So here I have 3 feet squared. This would be another 21 feet squared. This would be another 21. This one I don't need all 3, I would only need 1. So I need 2 feet by 7 feet, so it's 14 feet squared. And I would have to throw away 7 feet squared. So our first way uses 21 plus 1 plus 21 plus 14. So it uses 77 square feet, and it wastes 7 square feet. Okay. Option 2, this is 3 feet by 11 feet, so this is 33 feet squared. 33 feet squared. And this one, I only needed 1 foot, so this is 11 feet squared. And I need to cut off 22 feet squared. So option 2 makes less columns, but it uses 33 plus 33 plus 11. It uses 7 feet squared, but it wastes 22 feet squared. Now they both use 77 feet squared. Does that make sense? Because I'm covering a bulletin board, and both the bulletin boards are the same size. So it would use the same amount, but this waste part is a big difference. This one only wastes 7 feet squared, and this one wastes 22 feet squared. So I would want to go with the first way and make more up and down stripes so I have less that I am wasting. Okay, and that is our homework reviewing our perimeter and area.